Okay, so first, share the screen. This is why this is take 2, because I forgot to share my screen last time. But all right, where was I? Here's your question. So this is not just a form thing. It's actually okay with you leaving the radical in the denominator, it looks like. The problem is that with the simplification. So I'll show you what I mean. So we said sine theta is 1/6, and we live over here in this quadrant. Since you got the other ones right, I'm going to assume you got the cosine, but I'll just do it real quick anyway. So that tells me x squared is 1 minus 1 over 36. And x is going to be root 35 over 6. Well, technically plus or minus, but since I'm over here, it's going to be the plus. So that is my cosine theta. So they said sine theta over 2 is plus or minus 1 minus cos theta over 2. And we're going to take the plus because of the quadrant we're in. So I'm looking at 1 minus root 35 over 6 over 2, all in a square root. So multiply top of the bottom by 6. So, all right, so here's where the thing comes in. So with us, we're okay with you leaving a radical in the denominator, but we're not okay with you not simplifying your radicals. You do always have to simplify your radicals. 12 is 4 times 3. So it's going to be 2 root 3. So what I've got is 6 minus root 35 on the top and 2 root 3 on the bottom. And all MyMathLab did to get its answer okay, there, right? It just put all that together, all this bit. And called it 1/2. And called it that. So it wasn't a form question. It was something was missing in there. All right, and then you said number 5 as well. Okay. So what was number 5? He said to do, give me this little picture right here. I'm looking over there, which is the point a comma 1. And they say x squared plus y squared equals 5. So what's a? So a squared plus 1 equals 5, or a squared equals 4, but a is -2. Also, we want to remember that what I have actually is my sine theta is y over r, and cos theta is x over r. And that 5 is my r squared, so I know that r is root 5. Okay, so that means my sine theta is 1 over root 5, and my cosine theta is -2 over root 5. This And this question is asking me to find sine 2x. Or sine 2 theta. So that's 2 sine theta cos theta. So that's 2 times 1 over root 5 times negative 2 over root 5, which is negative 4 over root 5. And it being my math lab, they're probably going to want you to rationalize the denominators. We would be okay with this being the answer. But if you multiply the top and the bottom by root 5, I got negative 4 root 5 over 5, and I imagine that's what my math lab's going to want. Okay. Sorry it took me a minute to get to all that. I've had classes to teach all day. Yeah, here you go.